Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asian shares rose from their lowest level in approximately 1 month, but trading was slow before minutes of the Federal Reserve meeting. A reading on core inflation and rising interest rates were also read. Stocks ended the week slightly lower in the U.S. The S&P 500 lost 0.28% in the last week, ending a losing streak of 2 weeks. On Monday, the dollar was strong, supported by strong economic data from the United States. It weakened slightly against major Asian currencies. Oil prices rose Monday on optimism about China's demand recovery. However, there are concerns that future oil supplies will be impacted by underinvestment. Major producers also keep their output limits in check. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude oil for March was $76.89 per barrel. This is an increase of 55 cents or 0.7%. The active April contract saw a 0.8% increase at $77.14. On Monday, gold prices remained in a tight range. Asian Pacific market. China's economic recovery is gaining momentum. China's securities regulator relaxed rules for domestic companies looking to list abroad. According to Goldman Sachs strategists, Chinese stocks could rise as high as 24% by the year's end. However, all that Chinese demand could drive up oil prices. The dollar was close to a 2-month high of 134.11 against the Japanese yen. After falling close to 0.6% last week, the Aussie gained 0.17% to $0.6890. Market of Europe. Money markets in Europe show that investors have been betting on a peak European Central Bank rate of 3.75% by the end of summer. This is up from 3.4% earlier this month. Officials at the ECB have voiced concerns about persistent underlying inflation. The central bank increased rates by 50 basis points this month and pre-announced another increase for March 16. Today, the euro is not much change. The FTSE 100, the UK largest exporter, gained Monday as mining stocks rose in anticipation of a recovery in demand from China. Trade was limited because the U.S. markets closed on Monday for President's Day. Sterling fell 0.06% to $1.2035 after the dollar strengthened. Market of America. This week, we'll be able to see a better picture of the U.S. economic situation. Retail giants Walmart, Home Depot, and NVIDIA will release earnings reports to gauge consumer activity. NVIDIA will also report on whether tech stocks are able to sustain their rally. Minutes from Wednesday's Fed meeting will be available. Friday's Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, the Fed's preferred inflation reading, will be released. On Monday, trading is expected to be limited as the U.S. markets are closed for President's Day. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.